One of the main reasons that I started making money online is to have more freedom, more time in the day, to do whatever I want to, whenever I want to turn weekdays into my weekend. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with making money online with this brand new bot tool and brand new technique that will automatically generate you ready to go and high selling Amazon Kindle books where you make 100% commission. All Amazon does is take a small commission or a small percentage per sale that you make. It's literally 50 cents or $1. It's nothing at all. And you can be on your way to grow yourself your first 4, 5, and then eventually 6 or 7 figure business years down the line. You can get started today and start generating anywhere between $100 to $500 a day and scale from there depending on how much action you want to take with this. Now this may sound a little bit too good to be true. When people hear bots or anything like that, they think of trading and scams and stuff like that, but this has got nothing to do with that. We're not going to be creating affiliate products. You don't have to sit for hours and come up with stories on Amazon. You don't have to design covers. You don't have to do any of the hard work. This bot tool over here is going to generate and do all of this for you within 5 to 10 minutes, and you're ready to sell and make commissions on your Kindle books. I just quickly want to let you know that I'm running 3 epic giveaways in today's video. I've left 3 links in the descriptions giving 3 courses away that I've purchased throughout the year. It's a Snapchat course business, it's a TikTok premium business that teaches you how to make money on TikTok and Snapchat, as well as a Udemy bullet course which teaches you how to make money on Udemy selling courses. So you can go and claim all 3 of these courses down below in the link of this video. All I'd appreciate in return is leave a like, make sure to comment down below that you're ready for the giveaway, make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on, and I will send you a personal message to your phone every time I upload an epic video just like this one. But without further ado, my name is Jay, I'm your South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on this YouTube channel on various different ways that I use to make money online, showing you exclusive insights in what I do every single day. So like I said, if you want to follow my journey, make sure to be subscribed down below. Without further ado, we're going to hop straight into my PC and not waste any time. Now, I quickly want to show you something over here. Let's just take any one of these ebooks over here. They've got horror stories, friendly ghosts, recommended ebook deals, new releases, bestsellers, etc., etc. There are so many ebooks on this website. Now, obviously, you're thinking over here, there's a lot of ebooks on the site. How on earth am I going to beat all this competition? Well, if you keep watching, I'm going to show you how to get started with that and actually rank on the top pages of Amazon. So let's take, for example, this book over here called Rowley Jefferson's Awesome Friendly Spooky Stories. They are selling this ebook for just $6, or this Kindle for just $6, and they have gotten over 4,100 reviews so far. This means they've had a minimum order of 4,100, because in order to leave a review, you need to have ordered the ebook. So let's go 4,100 times 6. On this simple little spooky stories book that literally takes 5 minutes to generate or create, has generated this person over $24,600 on Amazon. That's a lot of money. That's over 400,000 Rand in my country, which in my country is a V8 muscle car cash. And just for an ebook to generate revenue like this is huge. I mean, there's a huge market for this. It's selling. People like these kind of stories. So it's an epic time to get into this sort of market regarding Amazon Kindle. So let's go and get started with actually going and creating our own Kindle books to go and sell. So first, we're going to come over to this website over here. I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. So I'll zoom it up on the screen and I'll show you how it works later. So over here, this is an entire workshop tool that will create visual brand experiences for your business, whether you're a seasoned designer, no experience, or a total novice as well. And you can see it's an entire drag and drop generator where you can go and create done for you stories, ebooks, magazines, etc. over here. And your first step is to go and choose a done for you template, and all you need to go and do is do some edits, whether you want to change the title, change some text, change some images with the drag and drop tool over here. It's super easy, it takes 5 to 10 minutes to do, and your book is ready to go and sell on the Amazon Kindle store. And step number 3, you can go and download this ebook that you've generated at the click of a button completely for free. And you are then ready to go and become a full-time Amazon publisher and publish your own Amazon Kindles. So this is a fantastic side hustle if you're a novice, beginner, expert, or whatever you are, to go and become a full-time Amazon Kindle publisher and make money doing so. So let's go and get started with that. What I want you to do is I want you to come up to the menu bar of this website, click on Create on the top right, and I want you to go and click on Documents over here. And then you'll go to this page where you can make professional visual documents in minutes with easy customized documents and reports, get all the templates, charts, tables, and assets that you need, and create documents and reports that you can be proud of at the click of a button, ready to go and publish on the Amazon Kindle store. As you can see, this is completely free. You don't need any money to do this. So now click on create your free documents over here. Then you'll be prompted with this page over here where you can go and create a completely free account on this website called visme.co. So this website that I've been talking about is called visme.co. I'll zoom it up on the screen. Just click on sign up with email and password, or with Google or with Facebook if you want to speed that process. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Then it will ask you to log in with the same account that you've just created on Google. Then click on login with Google. Then over here it will ask you, what do you want to use Visme for? You want to go and click personal, as that's all you need for this strategy. You can then click on create new and begin creating new documents. And over here you can see tons of documents and ebooks ready for you to go and import to make money on the Amazon Kindle store. Now, as you can see on Amazon Kindle, there are tons of different categories, topics that you can go and use to post and make money off of. But what I want you to do is I want you to go and click on health and fitness and dieting, as that right now is one of the most profitable niches and the niche that I'm going to be using in the example of this video. The next step is you want to go and select ebooks over here under the ebooks category under documents, and it will load up a whole bunch of ebook templates. Then scroll down until you see this template over here. Should I eat that? Click on the edit button, and then you'll see when this ebook loads up, all of these pages, including the table of contents, introduction, each and every page is completely done for you. And over here, it's even got done for you text that you can go and use over here. So it's got done for you content. But what I suggest you do is, because every time you post on the Amazon store, you need new content. In order to do that, you can come over to a website called idplr.com and copy and paste and plug in content from these ebooks into your own ebook. And you are allowed to do that because IDPLR gives you the right to do so. Just go and search on IDPLR health ebooks over here. Just click on enter, and then over here you can see done for you ebooks from superior brain health, overcoming phone addictions, doom scrolling, healthy habits, vitamin D deficiency, become a sugar ager. All of these ebooks over here consist of done for you stories and content that you can go and plug into your own ebook over here. You can use the same templates again and again. I just suggest maybe use different colors or different ebook template body as well. And then once you're ready, you can go and click on download on the top right. The last and final step is to come over to the Kindle Direct Publishing website at kdp.amazon.com. Click on sign up and start posting your ebooks. Like I showed you, your content, covers, ebooks are done for you. Thank you to this brand new tool that you can now go and use completely for free to become a full-time Amazon publisher. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a playlist over here to help you out with making money online, with selling rare high income skills and services all around the world without actually doing that work yourself. So if you click on this playlist over here, I'll be on the first video over here where you can see me there, and I'll help you out and start getting with drop servicing. So without further ado, click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.